I was always coming here when I was a little kid. What inspired me is seeing how Disney worked with the guests. I just wanted to be a part of it. Hi, I'm Casey. I'm a bus mechanic at Walt Disney World. Everything we do is to ensure guest safety, from just preventative maintenance to the inspections that we do. It's very fulfilling to know that we are helping the guests have the best vacation they can possibly have. We go through a lot of training here, and it helps me grow as a mechanic. The apprenticeship program is actually more leaned towards people that have very little experience, so they will teach you as you go. You go through 4 years of schooling for it, and you get ASE certified, and you get an attractions test along with it. With the apprenticeship, you move every year, and so you go to a different place. You go to attractions, to transportation. So you get a wide variety of locations and different things that you work on. I love the team that I work with. They always make me feel welcome and included, especially being one of the only female mechanics around here. Inclusion is a big thing. I don't feel out of place at all in any sort of way. It's the most amazing feeling to be a part of this legacy.